Sairam students, welcome back. Now we'll be continuing with the second part of our chapter 5, the foundation of Swaraj. Yes. Now in our first part, we learned that what is the meaning of Swaraj. Yes, what is the meaning of Swaraj? It means self-rule, and we also learned about the Swaraj visionary. Who is known as Swaraj visionary? Yes, it is Shahaji Raje, who is known as Swaraj visionary. And also we learned about Veer Mata Jijabai. Fine. So we'll continue our lesson today, the foundation of Swaraj, the second part. Yes, in the first part we learned why Shahaji Raja was known as a Swaraj visionary, and also about Veer Mata Jijabai as to how she supported the cause of or the dream of establishment of Swaraj, which was there by Shahaji Raja. Yes. Now the actual book about the foundation of Swaraj. Yes. Yes, this image, this picture, see, even when I'm teaching, I'm getting goosebumps. Yes, goosebumps over here. So this image instills in you the power, the confidence. Yes, this image is of our very own Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes. Now, what we are going to learn ahead is as to how we saw that good education was given to him, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, by his father, and also the various qualities which were instilled in him, like modesty, courage, vigilance, oratory, and fearlessness by his mother. Yes, so how these helped him in the establishment of Swaraj, we'll be learning in our second part. Okay. Shivaji Maharaj's companion and associates. See, when you want to bring out some certain change in the society, it is you who take a step ahead. But at the same time, you need a lot of support. You need cooperation of people, isn't it? So, since Shivaji Maharaj was provided with good education by his parents, he also was got a lot of support from many people. He had many companions and associates. So we'll be learning about who these companions were and who were these associates. Fine. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swaraj in the Mawal region. So why the Mawal region? Because the Mawal region, geographical features which were used skillfully for the purpose of foundation of Swaraj. Hilly region. Yes, so hilly region, they were very well aware. These people were very well aware of the guerrilla warfare, the guerrilla tactics. So the Mawal region was, the place where the work of founding of Swaraj started. Yes, fine. So you can see over here we have the Mawal region. This is the map of Maharashtra. Yes, and this is where the Mawal region is. Over here you can see this is the Mawal region. So in this region, the started the founding of establishment of Swaraj. Yes, the foundation of establishment of Swaraj was started over here. Fine. Going ahead. Shivaji Maharaj's associates, who were the important people who helped Shivaji Maharaj in the foundation of Swaraj, not only in the foundation of Swaraj but also in the later period. Yasaji Kankar, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narharekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahal, Tanaji Malusare, Kanoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. So these were the associates and companions of Shivaji Maharaj who helped him in the foundation of Swaraj. Yes, Yashaji Kankar, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahal, Tanaji Malusare, Kanoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. So these were the companions. Without the support of these people, see, these only few names, but there were many other soldiers who were influenced by these people and could do anything for establishment of Swaraj. So they were not only Shivaji Maharaj friends, companions, associates, but also they were, ready to do anything for Swaraj and anything for Shivaji Maharaj. They were ready to lay down their lives for Swaraj. You must have heard about the what Tanaji Malusare has done. You must have watched the movie also, Tanaji, isn't it? How he himself, instead of sending Shivaji Maharaj, he let go of his son's marriage and went to save Kundhana from the Mughals. Yes, and that is how Kundhana got the name Siahat. Jiva Mahal also, so Baji Prabhu Deshpande also, they all laid down their lives, sacrificed their lives for Swaraj and for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Fine. The royal seal or the Raj Mudra. Yes, so this royal seal, how does it look like, isn't it? So this is the royal seal, children. This is the royal seal over here. Yes, so this royal seal was, it is inscribed, something is written in it. So what is the meaning of what is inscribed in this royal seal? We'll see. The objective of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly mentioned in this royal seal. Something is inscribed, yes, on this royal seal. So what is it? So in whatever is inscribed, it means that the objective or the motive, ambition of establishment of Swaraj is mentioned in this royal seal. Yes, so over here, this is what is written in the royal seal. And what does it mean? This seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people. So what is written over here? Prati Pachchadre Lekheva Vardishnu Vishwavandita Shahasunoho Shivasesya Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. This is what is written in the royal seal. And the meaning of it means this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. From the new moon to the full moon, it keeps on growing. Yes. So it means that whatever this seal will, its importance will grow, it will keep on increasing. Yes. And this seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the world, denotes the welfare of the people. So this seal is and of great importance, from where it will be influencing people as to what it will be bringing about the welfare of the people. The world will come to know that it is meant for the welfare of the people. Yes, so this Raj Mudra, the royal seal, was of great importance, and when it was brought into by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So this, these are certain things which people get influenced by, isn't it? The image of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, when somebody says Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki jai, or this long slogan whereby people say, so all those things inspires us even today. So just imagine what fire would have been ignited among the Mawlas, the soldiers, the associates of Shivaji Maharaj at that time when they were fighting the enemies. Enemies was not only the Mughals, the Portuguese, the Siddhi, the British, the and even Adil Shah. Yes, Adil Shah also. Though his father was working for as a Sardar for the Adil Shah kingdom, Shivaji Maharaj wanted Swaraj to be free from any control from of these any foreign powers. So for that, so many enemies, yes, and the establishment of Swaraj was not taken down well by many of them. Yes, being even people from Maharashtra who were Maharashtrians or Marathi people, they also opposed the establishment of Swaraj, because they opposed means they were in on the sides of Mughals, on the either sides of the Adil Shah, isn't it, children? So these two things which we learned today, the companions of Shivaji Maharaj, important, and also this royal seal, the Raj Mudra, which was, how does it look like, children? Yes, how does it look like? See, it looks like this. Yes, so this royal seal or the Raj Mudra, objective of the foundation of Swaraj, is clearly mentioned in the Raj Mudra. Yes, so children, so what we are learning, yes, see, this has happened in the past, but still today we are getting influenced, we are being inspired by these things. Yes, because they are of utmost importance. Not, it was of utmost importance not only in the past, in the present, it is of very much importance in the present, and it will ever be important even in the future and times to come. Yes, till eternity, because Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a great name. He is our national hero because he did, having such a small army, and not with we can say the enemies, large number of enemies to be faced, he had done a very, very, very brave job. And after that, the Marathas, even after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Marathas did not lose their power, did not weaken, but later on they expanded the Maratha empire in the north, in the south, and most of India. Fine. So that's we'll be learning in the later lessons. So in today's part, we learnt about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Associates and Companion, and about the Raj Mudra or the Royal Seal. Fine. So in our next part, we'll be continuing the lesson. Till then, Sai Ram, stay safe, children.